thank you for being here today. Welcome to Centura Chesapeake's groundbreaking ceremony.
We are finally at that point where our students will be able to enter the campus from Greenbrier Parkway. For years, we've entered on the back of the campus at Ventures Way. We'll have the mayors here of Norfolk, the mayor of Chesapeake today, also the civil engineer, as well as the architect who helped with this project for us. So, I'm excited about it. This is going to give the coverage the campus needs and continue the growth that they're looking for.
It is a gateway to our many programs, not only for our faculty, our students, but for the community to access our facility, our campus, to enjoy the wonderful programs, but more importantly, to experience what we have to offer here in the city of Chesapeake.
We're excited to be here and to be able to help bring that to the fruition.
The staff, the administrative people, they really surrounded us with believing in us, and we really need that in this day and time.
So I'm very grateful to all of the organizers and our faculty and our staff and our team.
Just to see everybody here today was great. I was just happy to be part of it, and I'm really proud of my team.